Hey there everyone, and welcome to Monday.com Shorts, our newest video series where we are going to be giving you some quick hints and tips to help you start to supercharge your Monday.com workflows. These are going to be really handy for you to watch in between Zoom meetings or while you're on a quick coffee break, and really aimed at just giving you some quick wins to make sure you're getting the most out of your Monday.com experience. First things first, if you're new to Monday.com, we definitely recommend heading over to the Monday.com hub page on the Adaptavist website. There you're going to find plenty of hints and tips and tools and news to start helping you get familiar with the tool and start implementing it into your daily working patterns. So today we're going to be looking at how to use Monday.com's work management feature and how to access the workload widget. This is going to be a really handy tool to make sure that you are allocating resource in your teams appropriately, and it will help you to make sure that certain members of your team aren't getting overloaded with work and becoming too overwhelmed by how much they have on. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open your Monday.com workspace, head into the board that you want to access, scroll up and hit the workload button. Here you'll get a really high-level visual overview of how much each member of your team has on workload-wise for that particular week. So you might see that one member of the team has quite a lot on that week, but is not so busy next week. So it'll allow you to prioritize, adjust, and shift certain tasks or initiatives where need be. Equally, you might see that while one member of the team is slightly overloaded that week, other members of the team don't have quite as much on, so it will give you the opportunity as a manager or a team lead to allocate resource where need be and spread out the work a little bit more. Again, just making sure that your team members aren't becoming overwhelmed and stressed about how much work they have on. And that's it. That's the first episode of Monday.com Shorts. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and check back in for more Monday.com hints and tips. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.